Hey y'all, we're taking a look at some histology of slides with blood disorders. So this slide, right now I'm at 1000x, so I'm at a really, really high magnification, the oil immersion lens. What we can see, of course, are a bunch of erythrocytes. You can see how they're kind of stacking with each other. That itself is not indication of a problem. That just happens sometimes when you prepare a slide. But looking at the white blood cells of the leukocytes, we're seeing more eosinophils than normal. The one on the top there, in the middle, and the right, those are eosinophils. You can see the dark pink granules. So this condition is eosinophilia. When would you have a really high amount of eosinophils, more than normal? You would have this, say, if you were infected with a parasite. So that could be an example of eosinophilia. Down here, of course, you can still have a bunch of neutrophils. See how many lobes this one has with lighter cytoplasm? That's still a neutrophil. I mean, you'll still have those, but this has a higher than normal amount of eosinophils. This next slide, we're going to take a look at a type of leukemia. Just getting some oil and prepping the slide. We're taking a type of leukemia, and let's take a look at what leukemia means. That there's some kind of cancer, a cancer of white blood cells, and there's going to be more of that cell than normal. So eosinophilia, we had more eosinophils than normal. Here, the cells that we see here, the cell has a large kidney-shaped nucleus. Large kidney-shaped nucleus. These are monocytes. This is monocytic leukemia. Monocytic leukemia, large kidney-shaped nucleus, more monocytes than normal. Monocytic leukemia. Again, we're at 1000x total. And finally, we have another type of leukemia. Let's see what we see on this one. Again, lots of red blood cells, sometimes in their stacks called rouleaux, French for rolls or stacks. We see a lot of these dark cells with big round nuclei, no space for cytoplasm. Those are lymphocytes. So this is lymphocytic leukemia, lymphocytic or lymphatic leukemia. Lymphocytic or lymphatic leukemia, high amounts of lymphocytes. All right, those are just some types of blood disorders that aren't anemia, examples of leukemia and eosinophilia. Thanks for listening.